What's up, LB Squad? It's your girl Keela, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be about, well, if y'all don't know, y'all know now that I own a kids boutique called Narvaez Kidtique. I dropped that somewhere along in this video, so y'all make sure y'all check me out. But this is my inventory shelf right now, and I am about to do some organizing, free up some more room because I have more new stuff coming in. I have work being done on my attic right now to actually turn that into my YouTube slash business space, so I can have more storage space. I have more of these shelves to keep my storage on. It's just that right now I got this sitting in my hallway that leads to my kids' bedrooms, so I only can use one right now because the space right here is not that great. But I'm gonna let y'all watch me kind of get this reorganized and back in order. Okay, so first things first, is I'm going to organize the accessories, such as the sunshades. So we're going to reorganize those boxes and make a little bit more room. y'all, so I got all the sunshades, bows, jewelry, all of that is organized. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next accessory, which is like the purses. So I'll show y'all those throughout too, of what I still have in stock. Still working on accessories, haven't got to the clothes yet. Finishing up the last accessories, which is some pocketbooks, some tights, and some hats. Alright, so that's it for all of the girl clothes that I have in stock. Now I'm about to organize the boys. Alright guys, so I'm done organizing the boys' clothes, and the last thing I'm about to organize is the shoes that I have in stock. Alright y'all, I am all organized. Everything is complete. Shoes, boy clothes, girl clothes, all accessories and things up top. My battery is dying, so I'm going to try to hurry up and end this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, or concerns, comment down below, or follow me on my social media, which has appeared somewhere throughout this video.